Hello everyone, we're back again. I've got this firearm padlock from my old SIG that I used to have that I don't have the keys anymore. Surprisingly, as a locksmith. I've got a bottom of the keyway in there is my thinnest right now. I've also got two different tops of the keyway in case I need those done or I want to use them. One's in 15 thousandths and one's in 25 thousandths. Then I've got a couple picks. I've got a diamond, I've got a shallow hook, I've got a worm, and I've got my monkey's paw right there, one of my favorites. So I'm gonna pick this lock. It's only a 4-pin, but like I said, I do not have the keys for it anymore. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's use the shallow hook. We're gonna go right hand pick right now. Let's see what we can do. So one springy. Three, I gotta pop out of. Come back to one. Still springy. Two. Doesn't seem like it's got much. Three. One. Two. Three. Alright, we're gonna try a different pick. That shallow rig doesn't seem to be doing it. Let's try this diamond. There's one, there's two, there's three. Felt like I had two there. Switch over to the worm. See if this will do me any better. Flip it over and just check out and see what everything's doing. Let's see, there's one, and two. It's only two. Alright, I'm gonna try from the other direction. Oh, there it goes. Got my pick stuck. It would seem, but we have it unlocked. If I can get, let's see if I can get my pick out. There we go. So as you can see, it's picked. Didn't take too long. Like 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes until it was open. So as you can see, firearm locks are only meant to stop people from loading them and being able to fire them. That's pretty much it's an extra step. It's an extra measure. It should not be the last line of defense from kids or anybody else. You should be able to keep your firearms, well hidden enough without ammo and have your firearms on you, or if you concealed carry, depending upon what you do or what license you have. Take the proper measures. And I know plenty of people who do, and I know that they take the proper precautions while they're doing it. And I appreciate them for it.
The people who don't take the proper precautions or don't practice safety precautions, you know, even when they have a concealed carry, you know, kind of ruin it for everybody else. That's my video on this 4-pin tumbler 30mm lock for fire gun. Thanks, guys.